fishing the creek off of Heckscher Drive. Today we're looking for the normal trout, red, flounder, and I bought a new color Slayer ink lure that I'm gonna try first thing. It's more natural looking. I'm gonna throw my usual trout eye jig head, 3/16 ounce, and that doesn't do well. I'm gonna switch to gulp curly tails, and then the plan is, as the tide, it's low tide now, but as the tide gets higher, I'm gonna switch over to top water later in the day. It should be a really good top water bite. So we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys when I start catching. I almost forgot to mention I'm fishing with my buddy Kenny today. He has his own, he's gonna start his own YouTube channel, and I'll put the link to his page in the description. That's Kenny. He said he doesn't know what he's doing. Gonna give a few casts over to this oyster bar over here. Instant hookup. Whoa. Not a bad fish. First cast on the Slayer. Feels like a red. Kenny's hooked up on his first cast too. Don't even need a net. Not that big. Pretty fish though. Check that out, guys. Just let him go. Nothing on the second cast. Let's try it again. Got one, guys. Fish on, fish on. Man, they're fired up today. We just got out here. Another small guy. Got him on that Slayer though. There he goes. Underslot though. Nice one, man. Check that out, guys. Good redfish. Look at that. All right, let's see. Fish on, fish on. Hey! The bird tried to take my fish. Get away, bird. The water's so clear, the pelican came out of nowhere. Little rat red. Slayer doing work though. This little guy. See you later, buddy. Yeah, we can keep moving if the action's not great.
I only need one more. I need a trout for the slam, so.
Oh, fish on, fish on, fish on. Another little red. Another little guy. Let's let him go. Okay, got another fish on. I threw it to the other side of the bank. This feels like a better fish. Oh, it might be a trout. Oh, it's a nice trout. Nice trout, Kenny. Oh, yeah. Look at that one. Let's get him in the boat first. Oh, look at that trout, guys. Thick, too. Let's measure her up. Almost 19. I think I'm gonna keep this one.
Might be a trout, but I don't think it's that big.
Oh. Slam?
Trout.
That's your slam. Is it legal size?
Pretty close. Long and skinny.
Fish on, guys. There it goes. There it goes. I think it's another trout. Not a big one though. All right, small guy, let him go. Okay, fish on, guys, fish on. Might be a good trout. Oh yeah, this might be a good trout. I can't see it. Oh, it's a red. It's a red. I was thinking it was a trout. Look at that. Some great action today. They're loving this new color. Well, new to me at least. Just let them go. So I'm just kind of like bouncing it off the bottom, making sure the trout sees it. There's a fish. Oh, I lost him. I lost him. And usually they'll hit it on the bounce or when the bait's bouncing down. Fish on. Oh, I lost another one. Lost another one. So I lost two on that cast. Another fish on, guys. Feels like a trout. Not bad, not bad. Let's measure them up. Not bad. $18?
Nice.
Gonna keep them. I got that one right in the middle. They might be like right next to your kayak.
One was. The last bite I got too was like right on the ledge where it starts to get deep.
Fish on, guys, fish on. Got another one.
Alright, I'm gonna catch one now. I've gone like 8 casts without.
Smaller one. This creek is loaded today. Well, the fish are just fired up. Small guy. Kenny with a nice one over there. Here's a drag screaming. Let's let this guy go. Good one, Kenny?
Fish out.
Sounds like a good one. Another fish on, guys. As soon as I turn off the camera, they hit. Feels like a better fish. Feels like a good one. Nice trout. It's a nice trout. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Look at that baby. Good trout. Okay, buddy. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. Inhale that Slayer. Look at that, guys. Check that out, guys. That's a quality fish right there. Just inhaled that Slayer paddletail. Get some photos. I'm gonna let her go. Woo. Swimming right back to the hole. She's swimming right back to your way. Let's try it one more time. Let the bait drop. Start twitching it. There goes one. Not as big as the last one. Oh, is it a red? Yep, little red. Little red.
Little red?
Uh-huh. Look at that blue tail.
See if I can pull one. All right.
Grow up, little guy. He swam right back to the hole if you saw him. Look at that water clarity, guys. It's amazing out here. You might even see a flounder sitting on the mud or the sand. See a drop off over there. There's a fish. Not a big one though. Looks like a little trout. Okay, it's just a bunch of small trout. Just let them go. Look at all those beautiful oysters. There's gotta be a redfish sitting in here somewhere. Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Heck yeah. Nice red. I know. Look at that, guys. There's Kenny. He's been killing it today. 5 trout over 20 inches, I think. And a bunch of reds. And a flounder. Check out that red. There he goes. It's a trout, not a big one though. Small trout. Yeah. Back. Dang, that's a lot of fish right here.
If I go in front of you, then you can't pass in front of you.
Yes, I can. No, it's okay. We'll figure it out. Bunch of small trout right here, though. No, you need that flounder.
I don't need more content for my video.
Okay. You want some top water, though, right? Got a good fish on, I think. See some silver down there. I think it might be a red. Yeah, it's a red. Not a huge one. Oh, there he goes. Spit it right out. Not a fish on, guys. Whoa, huge trout, huge trout. I think so. I think it's a huge trout. Whoa, God. Kenny, you gotta see this. Look at this trout, guys. Holy cow. Holy cow. Oh, man. Yeah. Woo. Look at that. Oh, man. This is a giant trout. Let me wet my hands. Kenny. Oh, my God. Look at that trout, guys. Holy cow. On that Slayer paddletail. I mean, it's not like my biggest, but it is fat. Let's let her go. Let's let her go. Woo!
Beauty.